IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like taking photographs? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I like taking photos, but I don't do it very often. I usually take pictures when I travel or go out with my friends. It's nice to keep memories, but I'm not really good at it.
Why is this a band 5? Communicates simple ideas clearly, but with limited vocabulary. Nice, good. Sentences are short and basic. Lacks range of grammar and description, but speech is understandable. Band 7.5 answer.
Yes, I really enjoy taking photographs, especially when I'm traveling or spending time outdoors. I find photography a great way to capture special moments and express creativity. I often edit my pictures later to make the colors stand out more.
Why is this a band 7.5? Vocabulary range. Capture special moments. Express creativity. Uses complex sentences and cohesive ideas. Clear fluency with natural tone and slight elaboration. Band 9 answer.
Absolutely. Photography is one of my favorite hobbies because it allows me to freeze a moment in time and see beauty in ordinary things. Whether it's a dramatic sunset or a candid shot of a friend, I love how photos can tell a story without a single word. I often experiment with lighting and composition to improve my shots.
This is a band 9. Sophisticated vocabulary and imagery. Freeze a moment in time. Tell a story without a single word. Excellent coherence and expansion. Natural fluency with expressive tone and range of structures. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.